So to celebrate my 200-hour achievement, I got myself a little treat. It's a little rear view mirror kit. Let's go ahead and unbox this sucker. Don't you worry, I am going to link this product down below. So if you want to get yourself one, you absolutely can. There we go. Little instructions for a magnetic kit. And comes in layered over itself. Oh, with even foam in between. How nice. There we go. It's ready to go. You just gotta peel this sticker here. And there we go, we're ready to go. It does show you just need a hex key to loosen it if they're a little too tight. Or not a hex key, apparently a wrench. You just loosen this, and then this will be nice, a little looser for you. In my experience, it's actually the perfect tension that I would want it to be at. So there's literally no adjustment needed for this. So very nice, very happy with that. By the way, this is from StarknightMT. Or StarknightMT, and you can say it either way. All right, let's go ahead and get this on the tractor. All right, here it is. That one goes on the other side, so it's temporarily sitting there. What I like about the magnetic-based ones is that for the MX6000 at least, they do actually fit very nicely on the existing spot that's actually meant for the rear view mount. And if you place it correctly, it doesn't actually hit. Oh, look at that. Look at that, barely hits. And that's great because I can see right down here, just right off to the side of the tire, and it's great for when I'm out in those fields over there doing my thing. And it's nice because I can take it off when I go travel inside of woods or something, because I'm just gonna knock them off. Very nice implements just for that initial use. I got it primarily for the MX6000, but just to kind of show you here, if you really wanted to, if you have a BX or a smaller tractor with a bucket, it's actually very easy to just swap them in. There we go. Holds right onto there. You can see off to the side. Just angle it out, and there we go. You can see the rear tire here, right in the rear view mirror. Very nice, and that comes in handy, especially when you're doing really close groundwork. So it's kind of a gift for both of my tractors, but the thing that spurred it on, of course, was my MX6000. And because it's magnetic, you don't have to permanently mount anything, and as you saw on the BX, it's sat like this, and on the MX, I have it sit like this, so just swap sides. And holds up really nice. You do have to mind the door. I mean, that's the only thing with these, with the bigger tractors. Now, if you wanted something a little closer, let's say, it should mount right here just fine, actually. That is another potential mounting point that's probably even easier to get a nice downward sort of view and still angle it so that way you can get really close. Let's see, yeah, see, like that'll go through. And now let's check that in-cab view here. There we go. So you kind of lean over. There, now I can see my tire. So that is another, that's probably a better spot, actually. You just saw me unbox this, so I'm not even sure where I really want them. But yeah, actually, that is the spot. I'm keeping it right there. Just because the main use for this is going to be so I can look on the side of my tires as I drive past things, or if, say, I'm dragging implements or something, or if I can see them. Okay, so you can probably hear that rumbling. We're actually in the tractor here, looking out on my property, and we're backed right on up to the implement that I really had in mind when I got this little kit here that it's going to really help out. And it's this guy. I'm really curious to always know where that tire is, because that really lines up for this seater here. And this mirror and this mirror in that placement, really going to help me. There, you can see it. There's my tire, the tractor tire. There's the seater tire. And I can see that leaning back in my seat here very easily. I just sort of glance down and I can see exactly where that tire is. That's going to come in real handy when I'm running this implement. You'll also notice, don't know if I'll leave it like this, but you can see way off to the side, if you put your other mirror on the bucket, you can kind of have your placement and you can adjust it to see kind of farther out and have the mirrors even on both sides. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of a magnetic accessory, right? So you can put it on each ends here. Or of course I could have it on either end and run this when I do my planting. But primarily, since I plant always in a circle and I'm only ever looking left, and for the most part, this kind of setup is going to be my bread and butter here with this new accessory. So pretty cool. Really like it. It's a great 200-hour kind of accessory here. If you want to treat yourself, again, link in description. Been a fun ride with this old girl here. So until next time, I am the Ill-Informed Human. Goodbye.